Snoring refers to the sound made when a person breathes during the sleep. My roommate snores so loudly that I can't even sleep at night. Farting. Farting is the act of releasing gas. He accidentally farts in the public, which makes him feel embarrassed. Nail biting. To chew on one's fingernails. Whenever she is stressed, she starts biting her nails. It's her way of dealing with anxiety. Spitting. To eject something from the mouth. He spits on his coworker, which shows his disrespectful attitude. Slurping. To drink or eat noisily. The kid's loud slurping while eating pasta annoyed his brother. Knuckle cracking. To make cracking sound by bending or stretching the knuckles. She angrily cracked her knuckles, which signals her frustration and irritation. Picking nose. The act of extracting nasal mucus with one's finger. She finds it hard to resist the urge to pick her nose. Thumb sucking. He is sucking his thumb. Procrastinating. Delaying or postponing task or actions. She keeps procrastinating on her homework and ends up wasting time on her phone. Cursing. Whenever he gets angry, he starts cursing everyone. Littering. The act of dropping rubbish on the ground everywhere. He has a habit of littering and drops rubbish everywhere without considering the place. Slouching back. When you lean backward too much while sitting in a chair. Slouching back is bad for the posture. Tapping feet. To hit one's foot against the floor. He waited for hours tapping his foot as time slowly passed by.